This video will show you additional resources to help you be successful in this course. I'm going to go to the Unit 1 folder. I'm going to scroll down. In each weekly folder, you will see additional assignments, documents, and videos that will help you. For example, in the Week 2 folder, you will see a link to click on to help you easily register for your Connect account. Anything that's underlined is either an assignment that can be submitted or a link that will take you to another document. When you click on the link to register for your Connect account, you will be able to go to Connect when registration is open, when the course opens, and go through a simple process of putting in your KCTCS email and creating a password. In this Week 2 folder, you will also see that there's a video for you to watch on how to complete the module assignments in McGraw-Hill. There's a link that will take you to a website that will also have a handout for you to read and a video to watch to help you understand how to preview a text. This video will help you understand the skills used for your first assignment called Thieves. Other handouts, web links to resources, and videos are included in these weekly folders to help you complete the assignments for that week. Please do not skip these resources that are included in your weekly folders. These are included to help replace lecture content and activities that you would have experienced in an on-campus course. Make sure to read the text included with each item also, so that you have a better understanding of each resource and the assignment. There are things that are hints and tips that are listed to help you understand what each item is and how it relates to something else. Good luck!